Alright, we're back again today, boys. Got a Baotian going. Sick little thing. We'll put a few clips in a minute of a few more bits we did last night, but this is day 3. In 3 days we've gone from this to this. Yeah, I mean, it's fucking mad. Fucking, there's Rich. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute, isn't he? And there's Baotian mobile. Look at all the smoke. Bare 2-stroke oil. That's just idle. But next we've bought some parts to the mini bike. They arrive on Wednesday.
This is my mini bike.
You wish.
It is.
You wish.
But yeah, we've got a whole new pull cord system coming so we can get rid of this shoelace, which is actually off my Air Maxes. So now I've ruined a pair of chains of something.
And we've also got a new one of them fuel taps there at the bottom of the carb so it stops leaking. As you can see, it always leaks. So we're going to have a leak-free carb and a brand new pull start that matches the colour of all this.
Which is probably going to get changed eventually.
Yeah, it's metallic gold.
Yeah.
So, madness. Hey guys, we're back again. I mean, like, I know we've just recorded the intro and all that, but
yeah.
still we're back. It's been like 5 hours, you know what I mean? But,
since the intro was recorded, yeah.
It's only using one battery now, the original battery that... Oh, it's not the original battery, I put it in this.
This is obviously not the original battery.
But, because it don't fit. But, yeah, that battery now starts the bike by itself, don't need Lauren's battery anymore. Got all that fixed, got all the headlight and all that fixed as well, but it's just not on there.
Yeah.
I've gone through all this wiring bullshit, sorted all that. So now starts from the button nicely, now turns off on the key, starts on the key. Everything's mint.
We hope.
Also, if anyone can tell me what this is, please, because it was plugged in, and as soon as I unplugged it, everything started working. Not really sure what it does.
For now.
But go on, Richard, show everyone who's boss.
This face, like.
Oh, no, there you go. There you go.
It does work, and I can do it.
Oh no.
The thing Brad's most happy about is this.
Oh no.
Cuts out. It works. We still haven't got a front wheel for that. That's just a that's a shipping issue. We haven't quite got parts for that. Yeah.
Even though it's over at the back of the garden.
Yeah,
not the point.
Change,
Also, just look how clean everything is on this thing now since we cleaned it. It's actually fucking immaculate. I love this bike. Yeah. I don't care what anyone says. I think this is actually clean as fuck. For a bike that has had no...
It's running a little bit less 2-stroke oil, 2-stroke petrol right now. I mean, it's still running.
I've put a bit more pure petrol in it just to make it a bit better, but yeah. It's still going to be a little bit smoky, but not as bad.
Yeah, there's some smoke.
Oh, what was I going to say? I was going to say something rather important then, but I can't remember what it was.
I don't know.
Fuming.
Wounded.
We're about to tape the fucking latch in there. If it's not, there's no play in it. It just goes in, stays in. Look at that. Putting the key in the hole. Ooh, yeah.
Put it in the hole. Always
Ooh,
open.
Yeah. How clean it is in here as well. It's all nice and clean.
Thanks to my mum's hose pipe.
Yeah, boy.
And that is not a euphemism.
Fucking yeet down.
Fucking yeet.
Fucking yeet.
That's what's going on next.
Yeah.
Look at this. Fucking lovely. That is the work of true mechanic.
Because, you know, everyone, guys, Rich is a mechanic.
Everyone knows Rich is a mechanic.
Rich is a mechanic, guys.
Rich has never ever done any mechanic stuff in his life, but Rich is a mechanic.
Yeah, trust me. Rich is definitely a mechanic.
Right, hang on, right. One more time, I've got to make sure that, you know.
Yeah, you've got to make sure it...
Unless you do it twice in the same video, it doesn't really count, does it?
Exactly. You have to start it twice in the same video.
See, last time
Prove it.
I guarantee this is just not going to work now, and I should have just left it. It will work.
I like how it didn't want to go, and then suddenly it just did. Go on, so I need to leave it running for a bit more this time, let the battery charge up.
Idle there.
Yeah. This thing's sick.
Obviously, he's got to have a go.
We're dinging, boys.
Listen to that talk. Do not yeet it into my mum's house. That is quite clearly. Safety first.
Oh, it nearly went off there.
But yeah.
Oh!
He's definitely going to kill himself. Can we not? My mum's house is right there.
Oh, yeah. This is the last video tonight. Got a front brake on, and I've bled it up using sunflower oil. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. And there's actually a lot of pressure there. You see, if you can see anything in there, no, you can't see anything. It's not focusing. It's focusing on the wheel. Focus down there, bitch. Focus in there. Focus in there. Oh, you can't see it anyway without light. But yeah, the brake's on. It's down there, attached. Holding the wheel, kind of in something now as well. Another thing I've done is I'll just put a bit of tape either side of this so that you can still pull it apart, as it's supposed to be a fuse there. But just to essentially it for now, just put tape over each side. But if I literally just yank it, they'll just come apart. I haven't wrapped tape around or anything, you know. That was just so I could have weight on the front end. I was taking the wheel on and off. Stops because the sun setting down. Stops me from having to struggle. But yeah, this is the end of this one. So I'll see you all later. Yeet.